Hi, Pidgin English coach here. Today I want to talk about a phrase, a popular one people use to start sentences in Pidgin English. I go. I go means I will. It doesn't mean I will go, but it means I will. So if I say I go chop means I will eat. I go means I will go. Okay? If I say I go beat you means I will beat you. I go school, I will go to school. I go drink beer means I will drink beer. I go carry your money means I will carry your money. I go wear that shoe means I will wear that shoe. So I go means I will. Okay, so you can use I go with anything. Alright. This is a Pidgin English coach. You can get more videos, more tips, more ideas on how to speak